Jesus. Yeah, oh my gosh. Oh. That's not. Hi, welcome to options. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. I will leave dialogue on. Always run. No. Okay. It triggers me. Hi. Welcome to Dane making a family-friendly video. Yeah? So advertisers will love me. Well, stop it. Welcome to Teddy Floppy Ear goes kayaking. There's no ghosts, but it sounds better. Teddy Floppy Ear is gonna go kayak. Naxu, the little dumb Finnish boy, got me this game. Don't know why, but he did. He thought I should make a video out of it. Stop it. And so now we're gonna go kayak with Teddy Floppy Ear, which is a famous a kid's character from some kind of cartoon from some country. I don't remember. Parents. That didn't open a link, did it? Oh no, it's I opened like 10 links, I think. No, I'm good. Oh, it did. Alright, okay. It's closed. It's done. It's play. Play.
A new profile.
Okay, I'll do that. Which one do we want? This is lime green, which is my color, and has a heart. And I'm a very lovable guy, of course. What do you want, kids? This is a house. Repeat after me. House. The house has the following colors: white, red. This has a nice screen. Has a nice. Let's go with the heart.
New game.
New game. Holy shit, graphics.
I'll ride a bike on the paths along the river.
And I'll paddle in the kayak. When we get on the jetty,
We'll eat all those goodies that Auntie prepared for us.
yummy, yummy.
Let's see who's going to be first.
A family-friendly Dane. Oh, yummy. Hey, dude. Whoa, this is... I thought this was like a tiny minigame.
This is Teddy Floppy Ear.
Yeah, it
There's
is.
a life jacket hanging up here.
So there is.
Indicate the life jacket. Teddy will come and take it.
Okay. Take it.
A
Yeah.
life jacket. If I fall into the water, it'll keep me afloat.
And this is Mr. Bosun. Indicate him, as he has something important to say.
Can I put this on?
A life jacket. If I fall into the water, it'll keep me afloat.
Yeah, okay, be afloat. Subtitles, please. Thank you. Okay, hello, mister.
The kayak is ready for you. You can set off.
In the kayak I get.
What about the paddle?
That's right. I must find a paddle.
Now indicate the arrow which shows
You don't
the
even
way
have a
to the next
paddle for
stage.
me? I have to find that myself? That's probably right here.
Well done! Now you know how to play.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I feel accomplished. I feel like I'm at the dentist, and I really fell for that when dentists would be like, oh, open your mouth wide. Wow, you can open your mouth really, really wide and really high. And wow, that's impressive. You're so good at opening your mouth. And I fell for it as a kid. I felt so proud. I was like, yeah, I'm probably better than like most other kids. They're telling me this, that I'm so good at opening my mouth and stuff. Yeah, man. Don't think naughty things. You are messed up. This is a kids game, okay? This is kid-friendly content.
A pair of wellies.
Wellies.
Let me stay here.
Oh my god. A pair of wellies. This is gonna be tough for me to not say anything inappropriate or anything sweary.
A coil of rope. That's not what I'm looking for.
But this is... Oh, it's a paddle.
A paddle for the kayak.
So it is.
I'm not taking the bucket.
Why?
A boat hook. I don't need that.
Okay. Hey, Auntie.
Oh, Teddy, what about the basket?
We forgot about it completely, Auntie Oink Oink.
In the basket, you've got sandwiches, some cake, croissants, strawberries,
Croissants.
and a bottle of lemonade.
Thank you very much, Auntie.
That's not how you say...
Croissant.
You know how you say...
Croissant.
That's how you say that word. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Have fun.
I will try. Oh, you can run. Wow, you can actually run even. This game is like fairly well made. This is like a proper kids game. I thought this was gonna be...
You have a map to help you.
Is that so? Quite the oh, he's already ahead of me, dude. He's walking, huh? Or biking, and I have to take the kayak all the way over here. And then my dudeski lives here, I guess. All right, okay. We gotta hurry. Thanks. I forgot your name.
Have a good kayak trip.
Thank you so
Off
much.
I go. I must get ahead of Piglet.
Yeah, Piglet. Lots of crap is peeking on me. Are you spying? You're trying to see... that's a fish. Hello, dude.
Wow. You're a crayfish and you're sitting on a tree?
That's cray
Well,
cray.
that's rather obvious. I'm patrolling the area. I can't be disturbed now. Mr. Catfish said so.
That's odd.
Sort of. But you are a speaking bear, so maybe have a look in the mirror before you judge other people or life situations. That's one welly. Why is that a welly? There's a lot of frogs. Reminds me of Frogger, the game. That was a good game. Hey, dude. I can talk to all three of yas.
The heron isn't here, which suits us pretty fine. Croco, croco, croaky.
Tra la 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 la.
Let me go.
Of course, croak. But you have to play.
A game with us.
Let's play then.
Alright.
Each frog must sit on a leaf of the same color as the frog. The frogs can hop only onto empty leaves. Indicate a frog, and then the leaf onto which you want it to jump.
Yeah,
Go.
I got this. I got this.
Croak.
You go here.
Hop, hop, hop. Hey,
Wait.
Hey, up, up,
hop, hop. This is my
up, up,
hop. Yes.
up. I'm in the
Croak, croak. Bravo.
Thank you. I have a high IQ.
The way
Oh, I'm sorry.
is clear.
It's not, but now it is. I mean, I could have just bumped into you. Oh, thank you. There you go. Thank you guys so much. You got something to say? Oh, we gotta go back to talk to you.
Look how many green things we have.
I'm a fan of you guys, because I really like green. Maybe I could give you some of this green... I was really close to saying some... drink. Okay. Let's keep going. Oh, how lovely. Wait, I can talk to this.
A green flipper.
So it is.
A green whistle.
So it is.
A green apple.
That would be the thing.
A green ball.
It is.
A green welly.
You and your wellies. Wow, I'm gonna mess up. No, I really gotta. It's a fun challenge for me, honestly, trying to not say anything bad. Oh, who's this pretty thing over here? I hope you are female. Actually, it's 2017. We are allowed to like the same gender. Are you a guy or a girl? And why do you have tiny doll hands on your ears? Hips, though. And that's arms, and this is the head, and the big tail. And let's talk.
What are you doing, Squirrel?
I am keeping order among the fish.
But why you?
Mr. Catfish advised me to do so.
Strange habits around here.
Who is this Mr. Catfish? Anyway, take care, pretty woman. I will be on my way in my kayak. Is it weird that I'm enjoying this? You probably are too.
It's so nice by the river.
It is.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
You lost your strawberries? No, I lost everything.
What a shame.
Only 2 things.
I've lost the strawberries and the nuts.
Oh, not the nuts.
Oh, how he ran away! Ha ha ha!
What was that?
It's Mr. Catfish, who recently came to live in the river.
I've already heard about Mr. Catfish and his ideas. He's just hit the kayak, and the nuts and the strawberries have fallen into the water.
That's
Don't
nuts.
worry, there's a strawberry plantation near here. There are some nuts there too, in the wood behind the plantation. Diving!
Thanks, dude. What a kind guy.
I'll look for some strawberries and some nuts.
Yeah, let's go nut it up, huh? Let's get some nuts. Let's go nuts on some nuts. Why did you go the other way? Okay. Is there a strawberry plantation here? There's a leaf. Leafy is here. What way you want to go? Can you actually go? Can you go this way? Wow, wait. No? Okay. Dang. Well, it's obviously danger. This sign means danger, beware. So we don't go that way. Oh, don't leave. Don't leave. I can't talk to you. You're very cute, though. I want to pet you, but of course, it is a hedgehog. Yeah, it's a hedgehog. You want to be careful petting those, because they have all the spikes on their back. They will point them up and sort of shoot them at you if they get angry. Maybe not shoot them at you, but they can drop them into your skin and stuff. So you want to make sure they're calm and they feel good, and then you can pet them. And what? That's a donkey. Have you seen Shrek around here? He might be here. Why do we get off the boat? Oh.
How's your kayaking going, Floppy here?
A lot is happening by the river.
So a lot of sounds. What are we doing? What are we doing? Go that way? No? So can any of you guys whistle? Leave a like if you can whistle. Tell me in the comments if you know how to whistle. I'm not very good at whistling, but I know how, but I'm just not very good.
wonder where Piglet is.
Good question. That's a cute duck, though. I hope this thing is safe. It's safe to pass. Let's keep going. If it isn't Mr. Snail himself. Monsieur, oui, Mr. Snail.
What brings you here?
I knew it.
Are there any strawberries growing near here? And do you like strawberries?
Strawberries?
Very much. And you, sir? I adore them. So recently I have eaten too many. The plantation is further along there. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye.
Bye, Mr. Snail. We cannot go this way. Bye, Mr. Snail.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Oh no. I see you may have a problem on your hands. Or on your berries. Yeah, snails.
Oh dearie me, those slimy snails are back.
Just use salt.
Wow, so many of them. But they'll eat all the strawberries. I have no idea what to do. I'll look around. Maybe I'll find help.
Maybe you will.
Oh, those snails.
Oh, well, maybe I'll find help. Snakes. There's snakes this way. And also Piglet's walking this way. But he's walking the other way. Huh. Well, who knows?
Stop.
Indeed.
Oh, you scared me.
I'm so sorry.
Who are you?
I'm still mistaken for a snake. I'm a lizard. They call me a slow worm.
But you don't look frightening. Do you know that snails are ravaging the strawberry field? I must quickly get help.
I know very well how to deal with snails. But I'm afraid of the farmer.
I'll talk to him.
I will indeed go talk to him. That's a pretty mushroom. Red and white. Doesn't come any prettier, huh? Be careful eating random mushrooms you find. They could be poisonous or make you feel weird. Just consult an adult before touching or eating random mushrooms. Thank you, kids.
Was it you who placed these signs on the edge of the wood? Yes, I chased away an evil snake. It hid in the wood among the trees.
Mamma
It's a
mia.
lizard, a slow worm, not a snake, and it guarded your strawberries from pests. What on earth have I done? Maybe I can persuade the slow worm to come back.
But you have to guarantee me that you will not...
Can the strawberries be saved?
Well,
I haven't spoken to the slow worm.
Okay, yeah, I'll do it. Most of them have been eaten already, though. Even if the snails get scared away, there's just... The strawberries will still be lost, but I'm sure there's plenty of them still left. Hey, you can go now.
Back to the field. Now the farmer knows how helpful you are.
No one is a match when I look after the strawberry patch.
And do you know where any hazel trees grow? I need to put some nuts in my basket.
Right behind the wood. There's a hazel grove.
Off I go then to collect some nuts.
Thank you, Mr. Lizard Worm. Slow worm. Mr. Slowpoke.
What is that lying on the grass?
Well, it's a map. A very tiny one. It's basically what we're looking at here, just in a tiny paper form.
A fragment of a map.
A fragment.
A fragment of a map.
It is but a fragment of a map. Let's keep going, shall we? I need to stop talking like this. Oh, we found nuts. And a bird. Aye.
Will you give me a few nuts?
But of course, Mr. Catfish says that my beak is ideal for collecting them.
Is it really your job to collect nuts?
Well, I'm trying, but it isn't going very well. And those mosquitoes...
I'll help you, but promise that you'll go back to the river. Collecting nuts is a job for a squirrel, not for a heifer.
Collect all the nuts in the basket.
I didn't mean to skip. What am I doing? Oh, I'm walking. I'm walking here. Ah, get away from me. Put it in. Did I do it? No? You gotta get all of them? Stop it. Stop it with those sounds. They're really triggering. I be looking for the rest of the nuts. I can't seem to... There's one. We found one. Careful of that mosquito. Aye! Oh no, we lost a life. Oh, I can't get hit at all. Okay, let's be very careful. Very careful we must be. I do need to tell you kids that... Hey! How? Let me try again.
It's a no-go. We can't do it without the squirrel.
I'll paddle to her.
Oh, really? Am I supposed to fail? I was supposed to fail. I just take a couple of these and... Alright, let's go to Miss Squirrel. Oh, hello.
Oh dear. My mouse map has fallen apart and one bit is missing.
Is it this one?
Yippee! Yes!
Wait, I'll help put it together.
So I will.
Help Mouse match the bits of her map. You can move them vertically or horizontally. When you finish, indicate the arrow.
This looks right. But it might have to be like this. Ta-da! Wait, no? Oh.
Help Mouse match the bits of her map.
Oh, I'm restarting?
Move
Oh.
them when you...
Wait, this obviously has to be... No, it must have to be here, right? This... There you go.
These pieces don't match.
They must match. Let me try now.
This is difficult.
Oh, Teddy, I have one more favor to ask you.
Yes, Mouse?
Somewhere here by the water, I left my mouse compass. Will you help?
I'll look for your compass.
You are so wonderful, Teddy.
I know. I try my best.
Have you found my compass?
Not yet.
I'll look for it. So am I not supposed to be able to fix this? I'm so very confused about this game. I don't know if I'm actually failing at a kid's game.
I see that the farmer has already taken down the warning signs.
Well, that's great. Hey, dude. Oh, look at those strawberries, dude. They're all fresh and nice.
Oh, thank you. And here are some strawberries for you. More will ripen in the sun.
Ripen. Thanks, dude. I appreciate you. See you around. We're gonna go this way because we can do that now. This is quite the game, eh? Oh, there's a compass. Would you look at that?
Mouse's lost compass.
Indeed, probably. I mean, the odds are pretty. Would you look at that? It's like turds on a stick. Turds on a stick. Okay, let's go. Enough foolery. But let's kayak to the squirrely squirrel while we're here. And that'll be one of the last things we do. And then we will, what will we do? End it for now. And make more episodes of Teddy Floppy Ear or whatever. We can only go back? Guess so. So there won't be more kayaking, or maybe there will. Oh, we could go this way now, huh? That's not what we want to do. But maybe we should try. But it could be dangerous. Very dangerous. So where's that squirrel again? Must be right here.
I hope that the crayfish won't bump into the kayak again.
Me too. Hey, squirrely squirrel. I must speak to you and ask for a favor.
The heron can't collect nuts.
And the frogs and the fish don't listen to me.
And how about you and the heron go back to your normal jobs?
It's high time. I'll take the shortcut.
Thank you for listening to me. You go get these nuts. And the heron will come watch over the fish for whatever reason needed. Don't bump it, don't.
Kayaking is great fun.
Okay, I thought the stupid Mr. Cray Catfish was gonna bump into us. We're fine. We're safe. Let's see what's up here. And then we end it for now. Is there any saving? Probably just saves on its own, eh?
Teddy has paddled into a creek. Steer the kayak to avoid obstacles.
Okay. Yeah, I gotcha. Let's actually try to not fail this one in this kit game. Are we done? I am messed. Oh,
Yes, we did it.
back here. We're back here. We're all the way back. It's,
I told you not to disturb me.
I'm sorry. Do I have to go all the way again? I have to go. What is the point of the place then? Just taking me back to where I don't actually have to go. Alright. Thanks a lot for watching. My children, I hope you have enjoyed this little... this little playthrough, part 1 of Teddy Floppy Ears kayaking. We will continue this in a couple of days. Take care, have fun, and have a wonderful day, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is that you're having. Go ask your mom for some candy, some chocolate, some ice cream, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to not have app lock on. Remember to give me all your allowance. What is it called? The money you get weekly. You can give it to me on patreon.com/ThatInsaneDane. I greatly appreciate it, children. And to all the advertisers, this is advertiser friendly, and it's December. Please give me all the best advertisements. Yes? Okay. Good. Good. I just gotta put this in like the kids section and like educational. It is a kids game after all. I'll get all the best ads. Thanks Naxu for this opportunity. Of course, I guess he deserves a little bit of promotion for buying me this game. Check out Mr. Naxu. Check out Nilite on. I'll leave a link in it. I probably will forget it. Just go check on my channel. There's a bunch of channels suggested, and Naxu and Rala and Proxy and all that. Yeah, okay. Take care. I love you guys so much. Daddy out. I hate that so much. Yeah.